Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna do a very short video. Have you ever wondered in Linux how to check your disk space, how much space you have on your disk? If you want to know that, then this is the best tutorial for you, and we're gonna do that right now. Okay, what you're gonna do, we wanna show you, like in Ubuntu it's different, and here it's different, and also but Ubuntu also you can use your command prompt and see. So once we here, we can go here, say details. You can see that we have the disk space is 305. Okay, and we can see all of this, what we have, whatever, but now we don't know how much we have on, how much we've used already. So we don't know, we just know that the 300 gig, that's why we have, but we don't know how much we've used already. So that's why we're gonna come in here and use the terminal and check our stuff. So we're gonna go to your terminal. If you're not root, be root. If but it's not that necessary, but you can be root if you want to. Then you can come in and say df, you enter. You see each and every file system here, it shows you which percentage you've used. So it tells you here we're sitting on 0%, here is on 1%, here is on 16%, but all of this, you say this is the total size, then this is the used stuff, used what, gigs. Here's the total size, here's the used stuff. But now you can't read this and understand it. You need a calculator, you need all those things to convert whatever to whatever, but so I don't think you need that anyway. You can see these are file systems, these ones, all of them, they are file systems. That's why you can see, you can say fs, file system, file system, file system, file system, file system. So then what we want to do, we want to see in human readable data, how can we convert this to gigs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say df minus h. When you hit enter, that's when it's gonna break it down for you. You can see this number sums up to 3 gig. So this 0, zero is used on this file system. So this is what, 792 megabytes size. Then here it's gonna be, it's only 2.4 megabytes used, then which is standing on 1%. So here we stand on 0%. Then we go to our actual disk, which is, you're gonna see dev /SDA1. This is the hard drive we have. So you know there's that command whereby you have to write you have to format a memory stick, or you have to write a bootable CD. Sometimes you can find, when you check up on your disks you have, you're gonna find your memory stick, and also you find something like this. So the memory stick, sometimes it looks similar to this. It can be SDA, and this one is SDA1. You get me? Always change, it's not the same always. So you have to be very careful. You have to know that I have this gig to perform anything. So this is where I'm standing. So you remember when we opened in graphical user interface, it showed us like our hard disk is sitting on 305. So here it doesn't show you the exact stuff, but it's close to that. And even Windows, you can see, if you check your operating system, what disk, the disk you have, the hard drive, it won't, in most cases, if it's a 300 megabytes gig, it will never show you the 300 gig. It's gonna at least make it a little bit lesser than what you see. But on the graphical user interface, it showed us exactly what the gigs are. So here simply means the entire hard drive I have here have used 444 gigs out of 285. So that's why even here it comes back and it drops it here for you and explain that this is the available space you have, which is 228 gigs, which sits on 16%. So I think I've explained well this. If you're looking for the disk, your entire disk, leave all these file systems now. You can know which file system, what I have to put here, what is being. So this file system is being given only 3 gig to use, but now it has just used 65 megabytes. You understand? So leave this file system. So but anyway, if you know how to deal with Unix, you can also give this file system more space. But now the space which is allocated here by the system by default is 3 gig, but you can also give it more space here. So we don't want to do that because there's no reason why we're doing that. We came in here to show you what the actual disk space you have. So this is your hard drive, this is what you have, but also you also have to know much of this. So you can see this is sitting on 2% and this is sitting on 0.0. Simply means this thing, whatever it was given, it never used nothing. And also this one was given this file system was given 3 gig, 3.9 gig, and it never used nothing. So still it has 3.9, which is sitting on 0% usage. This is the C group. So if you can create groups there and whatever, then it's gonna start chowing on here. So if you create more and more and more and more, if it becomes like it wants to be full, what you do, you go and give it more space, then becomes bigger, so that you can be able to manage the file system without having any issues. So also you go to this file system which was given close to a gig, not a gig. It's 792 megabytes, and it used only 12 kb. So then almost it's sitting on 1%. This is the user 133 something. So also you go here down, you find almost the same thing, whereby nothing almost is used here and on this file system. So guys, I hope this helps you. I hope this helped. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to check the hard drive, this is your hard drive here, and this is what you've used. This is what you've used. This is what you have. This is the disk is what entire space, and also this is the disk is entire what remaining space. Understand? So if I used AIX, AIX is almost the same as Linux, so most of the commands are the same. So we used to give much of some file systems. You can see, you can find out that the file system is full. So when it's full, it's gonna give you some warning and tells you to know this file system is full. So you have to delete some stuff, or you have to give it power. Give it what? Give it more space. So sometimes it depends on the system how it was developed, was like said, whereby some people don't have access to give more space to a file system, but some people have that power to give a file system. But if you a space, so if you are if you're a sudo, so it will be easy for you to go to sudo and give a file system more space. We just touch about file systems, and you know how they work with their space. That's why this DF, it gives you each and everything and each and every file system which space was allocated to that. But if you go to your graphical user interface, you will never see that because it's not there. So I'm gonna go back to that and show you how the difference. I'm gonna put two screens at the same time here, and so that you can compare what does it really show you. So you can see I'm opening it here. You can go to your setting. If you go to settings, you can go down whereby you're gonna see and click on about. So you can see maybe you started it's here, so but you scroll down and say details. Yeah, details. When you click on details, then you click on about. You can see our file system here is sitting on 285 gig, and here it tells you that we have 305 gig. So you can see here, this is the correct thing, and here it shows you I think some of the stuff here, it shows you all the entire disk, but this shows you which the entire disk, what you can access or what you can use. This one doesn't care what you can't use or what you can use, just give you the entire thing. But this one tells you, no, this is the only thing you can use. You can install your softwares on this part. You can also put your videos, you can also put your audios, whatever you want to put. That's why the command prompt, the command line is always the best. It tells you what you have. So this one can give you an impression that you can put 300 gig or almost on your stuff, but it's impossible. So what you're gonna say here, the system is gonna come here and tell you that no, you have this, that's what you can use. So where is the 20 gigs go? Because this is 305 and here we can see 285. So that is what you cannot use for now, as we see. So guys, thanks for watching. This is the way you check your entire disk hard drive space you have. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.